Dumaguete City Mayor Felipe Antonio Ipe Remolyo.
Maayong gabi, fellow Dumagueteños. I feel small, not just physically, but in terms of, I feel small in the midst of outstanding Dumagueteños, 25 of them. During the introduction, it was mentioned that in 1998, November 1998, was the first Outstanding Dumagueteño Awards. It was not mentioned that I was mayor of Dumaguete at that time. So, it was on occasion of the 50th founding or chartering of Dumaguete. Dumaguete was founded or became a chartered city in on November 24, 1948. 50 years then, in 1998, in our celebration of the golden anniversary, 50th anniversary of Dumaguete City, was our first Outstanding Dumagueteño Awards. We were honoring then 16 outstanding Dumagueteños. And some of them now are the second generation of the families of the awardees. On occasion also of the 75th year of the chartering of Dumaguete City. So as they say, I was the golden mayor. I am also the Diamond Jubilee Mayor of Dumaguete. I don't expect to be your mayor on the century, on the 100 years of the chartering of Dumaguete. Perhaps it's very heartwarming to see two babies here. First, the daughter of an awardee, Thursday Casero. Can you please stand up and introduce your daughter? Yeah, she's there. And I also brought, and she was not recognized, but I want to recognize also. By the way, Thursday's daughter is 6 months old, but the youngest in this hall is actually a 4-month-old baby. My first granddaughter or grandchild, the daughter of my older son, Pelos Rebolio, with Ina Rebolio. She's also there. Quietly and well behaved. Purposely we brought her here to feel the atmosphere, to feel how Dumaguete is great. This is the first time, this is her first visit in Dumaguete. I want her to feel, and I want her to imbibe the spirit of the city of Dumaguete, that it will survive for centuries to come. You can see that the different families that are represented today may be politically at odds or adverse to each other in terms of the political strata or the political spectrum of the society, but it does not affect the fact that if they are contributors to society, all Dumagueteños should be treated Dumagueteños, and they remain to be Dumagueteños, and they deserve to be honored today. So that is my principle. I thank the efforts of the screening committee who took over a year to screen your respective resumes. And can you please stand to be recognized again, the members of the committee who are here? Can you be given a round of applause, please? They are mostly from the academy, And it's because Dumaguete is touted to be incontestably a university town. We honor the 25 awardees today, not because of their names but because of their contribution to not just to Dumaguete, the Philippines, and in fact to the entire human race. We salute them, and we are proud, and we will always be proud of them. Unfortunately, out of the 25, 13 are posthumous awardees. Not the best. They deserve to be given this award. So tonight is for their sake, and I thank the members of the families who took time to come here and celebrate this occasion with us. You know, given the outstanding Dumagueteño Award makes miracles, because even my good friend and I salute my co-member of the Board of Trustees of Silliman. She came here on wheelchair, but when her name was called, she stood up like a soldier, and she did that and remained standing until the Lilo said everybody can sit down. The Lilo Briones is here, and she has contributed a lot to the country, and will contribute more. So there's this electrifying effect of being an awardee. But it has become more sought after, because it only comes every 25 years. But I think, but it does not deter the future administrations from awarding outstanding Dumagueteños from time to time. It need not be every 25 years. But then again, I will be remiss as your mayor for only 2 days more. I'll be out of job for only two days more, and that I will be remiss if I don't hold this event in honor of our 25 outstanding Dumagueteños. Mayang gabi o daghang salamat.
Thank you very much, Mayor Ipea Imorio. Dumaguete will always be beholden to your grand vision of